Hello everybody. From this week onward, we will provide you the topic summary, which capture the key point of weekly topic. Let's start with this week 6, Environmental Management System, EMS. What is sustainability or sustainable development? A lot of definition, interpretation. However, it is simple. Sustainable development, it is a development which balances social aspect, environmental aspect, and economic aspect. The idea of sustainable development, which is the follow-up of the Millennium Development Goal, all the countries in 2015 committed to the 17th Global Goal for Sustainable Development. Environmental management system embraces both technical and organizational activity, aimed at reducing the environmental negative impacts caused by a company operation. It is a management tool that allows a company to be organized in a way so as to control and reduce environmental impact. If a hotel implements the EMS successfully, it will be more competitive in terms of monetary saving, reduction of energies and waste consumption and waste cost, and particularly it will attract more emerging market of responsible tourists. There are 4 aspects we need to consider for the successful implementations of EMS. First of all, it requires the involvement of staff in greening activity. Secondly, you need to consider what type of technologies is suitable. Third aspect, we need to understand the customer, the target market. And finally, we need to establish a centralized action across different departments. Certification is a procedure by which a third party, the certifier, provide a written assurance that a system, a process, a person, a product, or service conform to the requirement specified in a standard or a reference frame. Certification is voluntary act. It is a tool of competitiveness and differentiation which establishes consumer confidence. Certification scheme which focused on environmental management and sustainability issues are called eco-label. Eco-label are often categorized in 3 groups. The first party certification or self-audit, which means allow a company to self-audit its activity and certify itself with an eco-label. The second party certification, which often refer to some industry where allow wholesaler, for example, to have their own auditing scheme to certify supplier product and services, such as accommodation facility and transportation. The third-party certification involves an independent certifier, which is responsible for measurement, assessment, and evaluation of results, as well as the decision on attribution of the eco-label. For the sake of credibility of an eco-label and transparency of measurements and evaluation, the certification procedure should be undertaken by an independent third party to ensure that the standard of a certain eco-label are met. Here are some examples of sustainability certification. You can see that Green Glove 21. You could see the Earthjack from the New Zealand. We can see the Eco Certified from Australia, and Global Sustainable Tourism Council, and also the ISO Sustainable Event Management System as well. There are some advantages and disadvantages of eco-label. We start with the disadvantages first. Because there are many eco-labels, it's difficult for a company or hotel to choose which one is appropriate for them. It also causes the consumer confused about its quality, which is also there are some hotels which misuse the eco-label as well. and the cost of application, implementation, and the assessment, particularly for the small hotel. However, there are some advantages which outweigh the disadvantages. In long term, it is a cost saving. Eco-label can enhance the visibilities and marketing opportunity. It also allows for industry benchmarking and recognition. And finally, implementation of eco-labels guideline and standard boost employee morale and motivation. So how the environmental management system decision was applied in HOT? I would recommend you to watch the 3.5-minute video, which is right under this link. Look forward to see you in the class. Thank you. Bye-bye.